You already know what time it is. It's time to fly. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today is my favorite day. You know what day it is. It's Travel Vlog Day. Let's go. So today is a day I love more than no other, and that's Travel Vlog Day. Traveling from BTR here in Baton Rouge. We're going to go to Charlotte Douglas Airport and Charlotte North Kakalaki. And then we're going to head to Newark in New Jersey. And then we're going to be out in New York City by the end of this video. I cannot wait. I am so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I know I like it. All right, no more singing. No more. Out of security pretty quick. Not a lot of people in there, obviously. So, getting ready to, should be boarding pretty soon. So, we'll be getting ready to head to Charlotte. Just passing the time. Should be boarding in about 15 minutes. So yeah, about 15 minutes. In order to pass the time while I'm sitting back looking at the Down Under Cruisers live stream, I decided to join in from the airport. So that was always cool to join in with my friend Sean and Alana and others. So the boarding process is starting to begin. I just got off the stream. It's kind of cool though, looking at the sky out. It's just a little bit after sunrise in the morning here. I'm in boarding group 5 as it gets ready to start any second here. I'm having the American Airlines credit card. I think there's like 10 boarding groups, so 5, I'm somewhere in the middle, not too bad. Now it's time to board the plane here. We're gonna hope that we can get a seat here with no one next to me, because obviously there's not a lot of room, small flight. Okay, so now I'm seated. We'll see if anyone comes and sits beside me. Got a lot of leg room because I got the exit row seats here. Paid $11 extra for all of this extra leg room, which is pretty awesome. It's the exit row, and yes, nobody's sitting beside me, so it's just me with all of this room right here. Look at all this room I got. Yeah, who really needs first class when they got all of this leg room and an extra seat next to them? You can fly economy and end up good sometimes. Love my Biscoff cookies with an orange juice. Nice flight, at least going to Charlotte. Landed here in Charlotte Douglas and get my bag off the American Eagle. Strategy I never went with before, and that's a check bag and a book sack. Never done that before, so I don't have to worry about luggage, which is always a plus. And you can always be a lot more flexible when you don't bring checked luggage where you got to go wait for the luggage, because you never know when they want to move you around or put you on an earlier flight or anything like that. So if you have your checked bags like this and you have your book sacks, you come out a lot easier when it comes to flexibility standpoint. You never know when you need to be flexible to help yourself out, so remember that. So we got to get to Terminal B to switch flights here. must say a little disappointed. They had long lines, but I ordered a breast and wings and a biscuit combo with dirty rice and mashed potatoes. I had to go back up and get the breast because I got the dark meat originally. They just said keep it all, and the biscuit wasn't that good. Well, I got no one next to me again, which is great, but I don't have the leg room as I had on the first flight, though, because I don't have an exit row. So the room's good, yeah, but the leg room kind of stinks.
New York and Washington, D.C.-based flight crew, it's been our pleasure having all of you on board this morning. We know that you have a choice when you travel.
Now we're landing about an hour and a half flight, not too bad, to Newark, New Jersey. So we're getting off right now. Got to enjoy some music and relax a little bit. So this is Newark Liberty International Airport here, one of the 3 airports considered to be New York, or at least in the New York area. So you catch the air train here. You got to catch the train to the station to get us to New York City, to get us to Penn Station. So we'll see how this process goes. So you walk through the airport to get to the air train. It's a pretty good sized airport, so you got to make sure you're looking for the sign so you don't get lost when you're trying to get to the air train. So once you see a transportation sign saying air train, just follow the sign. The tickets are about $15 to do this and catch the air train over to the location. You'll see in a minute. It's going to take you to Penn Station, so it'll take you right by Madison Square Garden. And don't, make sure again, like I said, don't get off at Penn Station, New Jersey. 2 Penn stations. Take the right one. New York, not New Jersey. So once the air train drops you off at this station, I just scanned in my ticket just now. So scan in your ticket and you go downstairs again, and you're going to catch the big train right here. Waiting on the big train to come, and the big train is going to take us to, I think it's the 4th stop, Penn Station, New York. Because Penn Station, New Jersey is the 2nd stop, and that's not the one you want to get off on. You want to get off on Penn Station, New York, and you'll be right next to Madison Square Garden. So there goes the train. That's all, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more materials coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.